Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about what to do for days 3 and 4 of the Mansa Musa HyperDoc. So we're in Google Classroom right now. We have the weekly schedule right here. If we click on this, it shows us for days 3 and 4. We're going to be working on two main things, which are the explain and apply sections, but there's also the share one, which we're going to talk about later. So the main thing that we're going to look at are the explain and the apply. So this is our Mansa Musa HyperDoc. So far we should have already watched the video for Engage. We should watch or read the article from Explore and write a paragraph. We're going to look at this map, take the quiz, read this article, write another short paragraph. All right, so that's for days 1 and 2. Days 3 and 4, first thing we're going to do is we're going to watch this video. This is just an Edpuzzle video. So you'll watch this video, answer the questions that go along with it as you're watching. As soon as you're done with that, then you're done with the explain section. It goes over this guy Ibn Battuta's travels and how he came to better understand the Mali Empire, and that directly relates to the apply section. So for the apply one, I'm going to do another video that's a little more in depth, but generally what you need to know in order to access this TCI notebook, to fill out these questions, you're going to have to go to the class link, which is the apps portal. You're going to click on curriculum, and you're going to click on TCI. Most of you should see like a little assignment that pops up. If you do, you can just click on it, and it will link you directly to the notebook section. So then here, I mean, I can edit and grade and delete, but you guys will have the opportunity of clicking on the actual assignment. If you need to do it manually, you can also come over to the text button. And if you come up here, the unit is going to be in the cultures and kingdoms of West Africa, and specifically on the influence of Islam in West Africa. So we're going to click on that. That'll open up this, but we don't need to go through all this. We're going to go to the investigating primary sources. What does Ibn Battuta's writing reveal about Islam in medieval Mali? And this is where we're going to get our information. So we're going to fill out this information down here. So it's using reading to create a claim to this question, using sources as evidence, revise your claim, and then you're going to make a short argument, clearly stating your claim, including evidence from multiple sources, providing explanation for how the evidence supports the claim. All right, so that's what we're doing for days 3 and 4. Last thing you're going to do, once you've done this last part right here, constructing an argument, you're going to come back to Google Classroom and you're going to copy and paste your argument into the question. What that's going to look like, it's not published yet, but which is why this is gray, but you'll see a little question. It just asks you to copy and paste your TCI notebook. It should be answer below, and it should have these following things. So you're going to click on that and copy and paste it into there. And that's for days 3 and 4. Thank you.